Tuesday's action is for people that are facing a dilemma. They have two situations or two wishes and they feel like they need to decide between those two. I have a simple trick for you that is going to help you with this. Hi, it's Mariana. Welcome to Tuesday's action, a series of short videos where I share with you always one actionable step you can take right at that moment that's going to lead to a more productive and fulfilling life. If you're new, consider subscribing. Tuesday's action is really simple, but when I heard it for the first time a few years ago, it blew my mind. And I have been using it every time I catch myself saying, I want this, but I also want this. So, for example, you might have the following dilemmas. I would like to work out after work, but I would also like to spend time with my family. Or I would like to start a family, but I also want to have a great career. Or I would like to live in this country, but I also want to stay close to my family that lives in a different country. So what to do when you're facing situations like this? The simple trick is you replace the but in the sentence with an and. So you're going to say, I would like to work out after work and I would like to spend time with my family. I would like to start a family and I want to have a great career. I want to live in this country and I want to stay close to my family that lives in a different country. When you're saying but, your brain is thinking, oh, I need to choose between those two situations and that's my only option. But when you're starting thinking and, you immediately think about solutions. You're like, okay, this is the problem. I want those two things. How can I solve it? How can I achieve it? And once you start thinking about it, you might come up with a way how to achieve both of those things. And it might not look like how you imagine it at the beginning, but you might achieve both those things. I heard this advice on one of the podcasts I listened to, and unfortunately I can't remember who said it, but I'm so thankful that I started using it because it helped me so much. So give it a try next time you're facing a dilemma and you catch yourself saying, I want this, but I also want this. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed it, give it a like, subscribe if you're new, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye.